fried rice. Do it like me. It's called the #1 lazy recipe. Haha.
Yes, because today's recipe can be delicious even if you make it with your eyes closed. That's using shredded seaweed salad to fry rice. Has everyone tried it? Just buy ready-made spicy mixed seaweed strips. That's why I call it the #1 lazy recipe. The remaining ingredients are just cooked overnight rice and eggs. If you want some vegetables, you can add cabbage and stir-fry it together. Shred the cabbage and set aside. Beat the eggs in a bowl and set aside. First, fry the eggs until cooked, then chop them up and set aside. The eggs are stir-fried. Next, first stir-fry the cabbage and shredded seaweed until fragrant. The mixed seaweed I bought already contains garlic and chili with a very rich and delicious spicy flavor, so there's no need to add minced garlic. You can also use scissors to cut the seaweed strips shorter before stir-frying them. Adjust the method to your liking. Pour in the rice. Use a spoon to break it up and stir-fry until fragrant and well mixed. Season with salt and pepper according to personal taste. I think fried rice tastes better when the flavors are a bit stronger. Pour in the cooked eggs and mix them evenly with the rice. Turn off the heat before serving. Add a little sesame oil and stir-fry a few times. The fragrant and spicy seaweed egg fried rice is ready, and it smells absolutely amazing. Everyone must give it a try. Speaking of making mixed seaweed strips, it's actually quite simple, and you can easily prepare it at home to eat. I just happened to have store-bought ones on hand, so I used the ingredients I had to make fried rice. Spicy mala seaweed salad. Blanch the seaweed strips, then toss with minced garlic, chili powder, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and sesame oil. Seaweed is a nutrient-rich marine vegetable. It is rich in iodine, which helps maintain thyroid health. Seaweed also contains various minerals and vitamins. Additionally, its dietary fiber aids in promoting digestion. Kelp is rich in iodine, effectively preventing thyroid diseases. The dietary fiber it contains helps lower cholesterol and promotes cardiovascular health. Additionally, the fucoidan in kelp has immune-boosting properties. Individuals with hyperthyroidism should avoid consuming kelp to prevent worsening their condition. Those with iodine allergies or restricted iodine intake need to exercise caution. People with weak spleen and stomach systems should not consume excessive amounts, as it may cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.